In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create a crew here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually exit out of GTA. And you don't have to close it fully, but I would recommend restarting after you do this. But essentially, go ahead and open up yourself a web browser of your choice and go to Google. And up in the search bar, you're going to want to type Rockstar Social Club and go ahead and hit enter. Now, you can do this on a phone, mobile device, or really even on your PC as well. It doesn't necessarily matter. Select the Social Club option right here, though. And up at the very top, select this little profile icon and then hit sign in and go ahead and sign into your Rockstar Games account. After you are signed in, select your profile icon and then of course select account just like so to expand it. And then from here, go ahead and select view my profile, and up at the very top, once it does load, you're going to see a specific tab for crews just like so. Go ahead and select that. From here, you're going to see an option to create a crew. Go ahead and select that. And this is where you're going to customize your crew fully. So you could call this the, Just Boz crew. And then of course you can go ahead and change the color, make it invite only. Change that, motto as well. We'll just go ahead and say sub to Just Boz, since y'all should totally subscribe to the channel since it really does help us out. And from here, you can actually go ahead and change your titles as well if you would like, as well as all these actions as well. Just make sure whenever you are done that you do save your settings down in the very bottom. After you do create your crew, essentially go ahead and load into GTA 5 again. Just make sure it is closed out completely. And once you do this, hit, start on a controller or escape on a keyboard, go over to the online tab option and just scroll down and you're going to see an option for crews on here. Select it, and if you select my crews, you're going to see, that crew that you just completed and created in here. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.